Hello, everyone. I'm Stephanie Dawson with Freedom Wellness, and today I'm sharing a mental clarity guided meditation. This is something that I definitely need today, and know that anyone who watches this video will also benefit. We will be using the Freedom Wellness meditation method. And remember, this is a 5-step structured meditation technique. We will begin with controlled breathing, focusing in on the clearing breath, then transition to grounding and connecting into the core of the earth, followed by energy center balancing with a focus on our brow and crown energy centers for this meditation. After that, we will transition to our color and light frequency activation, activating the pure white light frequency, and then close out the meditation with gratitude. So I invite you to begin to settle into your body. You may complete the meditation with your eyes open or closed. You can be standing, lying down, sitting, whatever position is comfortable for you. I do recommend that you close your eyes because that allows you to move your attention and senses inward versus on the external stimuli around you. And with that, we will begin the meditation. Allow yourself to settle into your body, knowing that taking the few moments for yourself is necessary and a gift. Let's begin with the clearing breath. Breathe in through your nose, out through an open mouth. Clear. Breathe in through your nose, out through an open mouth. Clear. Breathe in through your nose, out through an open mouth. Clear. Again, breathe in through your nose, out through an open mouth. Clear. Do 2 more rounds of the clearing breath on your own at your own pace. Now we will transition to our grounding and connecting into the core of the earth. May all who participate in this guided meditation begin to connect to the core of the earth. Total and complete connection to the core of the earth. Imagine your entire energy field has a light beam that is moving like a cord from your entire body and energy field straight into the core of the earth. Allow this connection to become complete, bringing a sense of strength and stability. Trusting that our connection to the core of the earth is complete, we will now transition to our energy center balancing. You are going to breathe in through your nose and out and into the top of your head where your brow and crown energy centers are. Breathe in through your nose, out and into the top of your head area. Breathe in through your nose, out and into the top of your head area. Breathe in through your nose, out and into your brow and crown energy centers in the top of your head. Breathe in through your nose, out and into your brow and crown areas, clearing distraction. In through your nose, out and into your brow and crown area. Total and complete clearing of distracted emotions. Breathe in through your nose, up and out into the top of your head area. Clear chaos. Breathe in through your nose, out and into your head area. Total and complete clearing of chaotic emotions. Breathe in through your nose, out and into your head area, and do a couple more rounds on your own. Now we will transition to our color and light frequency activation. Activate the pure white light frequency. As this frequency begins to activate throughout your entire energy field and throughout your body, I want you to imagine a beam of white light beginning to surround you. Allow the healing frequency to penetrate your energy field, knowing it is intelligent in design and knows the areas that need the most support. Total and complete activation of the pure white light frequency. It is okay if thoughts arise. It is okay if sensations arise. It is okay if you need to shift your body or move. This is part of the healing frequency processing through your system. There is no wrong or right way to meditate. as the pure white light frequency continues to move throughout our energy field, we can imagine, visualize, see the pure white light surrounding us and becoming more powerful. And as we close this meditation, we express gratitude for this opportunity to take a moment for ourselves and benefit from the healing frequencies and ability to unlock self-healing power within ourselves. We trust and know the benefits of this meditation will be with us throughout the day and for however long is needed. Thank you for this meditation.